Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Your phone must run Android 9 or newer and have the Android Auto app installed. Once done, enable Bluetooth, location, and microphone permissions so Google can route audio and navigation. Plug in a high-quality USB cable or initiate Bluetooth pairing. When prompts appear on both phone and head unit, accept them. You'll see the Android Auto interface load. That means the system recognized your device. If the car asks which apps to show, choose Google Assistant and Maps to continue. You now activate Google features inside Android Auto. Open Android Auto settings on your phone, then set Google Assistant as the default voice assistant. This ensures voice commands go to Google rather than the car's system. Make sure you grant microphone and notification access so Assistant can speak, announce messages, and interact with apps. Next, choose how you'll trigger it, enabling Hey Google Wake or assigning the steering wheel voice button. Doing this lets you ask for navigation, calls, or music hands-free while driving. You're ready to use Google in Android Auto. Speak natural commands like navigate to 123 Main Street, call Alex, or play jazz on Spotify, and Assistant will respond. If it's not responding, first check Bluetooth connection, microphone permission, and that Android Auto and Google app are updated. Make sure your phone's battery saver isn't limiting background activity. If problems persist, restart the phone and the head unit, then repair. This often clears persistent connection or permission errors and restores full voice control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.